Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can disable voice calls on WhatsApp. So, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to head over to your settings application. Inside here, scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on apps. Inside apps, search for WhatsApp and then tap onto it. Now, once you're inside the WhatsApp app settings, look for permissions and then simply tap on microphone. Here, you can simply turn the microphone off for WhatsApp. So what this does is it blocks WhatsApp from using your microphone during voice calls. That means even if someone tries to call you on WhatsApp, you would not be able to speak, and effectively, you have disabled the voice call feature. That's it. Super quick and easy. By turning off microphone permissions, you have stopped voice calls from working in WhatsApp. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.